How to appear offline on Instagram. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Instagram. So if you have any concerns over people being able to see that you're online when you're using Instagram, in this video, I'll show you how to get into the settings in Instagram so that you appear offline while you're using Instagram. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone. And once we get the app open, go ahead and select your profile icon in the bottom right of the app. This will bring you to your profile on Instagram. And once we're here, all we need to do is open up the menu. And we do that by selecting the three horizontal lines in the top right of the app. Once the menu opens, select Settings, which is the first option. Now that we're in the settings, all we need to do is find and select Privacy. And then in Privacy, you just want to scroll down until you see Activity Status. Go ahead and select that. As you can see here, if Show Activity Status is currently on, where it's blue like that, any account you follow and anyone you message on Instagram can see when you are using the app. All we need to do to disable that is toggle this off where it's gray, and then now you will appear offline on Instagram. All right, so that's how you appear offline on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.